friends. Wow, super. The one house have coconut tree and banana tree, but in Tamil Nadu only famous for palm tree. But here so many coconut trees. So many coconut trees. This is so beautiful with coconuts. The birds are flying. The moon came. Sun sets now. The sun is so reddish color. This city is so beautiful with trees so greenish. Wow, what a beautiful city. So greenish. So beautiful. So many trees. The sun rises. The sun sets. Wow. So many trees. The sun is sets. So reddish. It has so many coconut trees and banana trees. But in the Tamil Nadu famous for palm tree. That one house only have palm tree. You have seen that one house only have palm tree. Now the sun sets. So reddish. Wow, what a wonderful moment. Wow. Now the moon came. See, the moon came. That was the sun is setting. So reddish color. Wow.